Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce to myself. My name is Rifki Sarip Dayat. I come from the Faculty of Engineering Informatics, University Muhammadiyah, Jakarta. I come from Group 4. On this occasion, I will explain about input and output in computer organization architecture. Straight away for the first part, I will explain about definition of input and output. How does input and output work? Example of how input and output work in computer application. Understanding keyboard and mouse. How does keyboard and mouse work? And understanding monitor and printer and how monitor and printer work. Straight away, I will explain about the definition of input and output. Definition input and output. In computer organization architecture, input and output are two fundamental concepts that enable a computer to interact with its external environment. Input is the process of entering data or command into a computer system via an input device. This input device can be a keyboard, mouse, or other device that send data to the computer. Data entered through an input device will be processed by the central processing unit or CPU. Output is the process of displaying or sending the result of data processing from a computer to an output device. Output device include monitor, printer, or external storage device, which enable the result of such processing to be seen, heard, or stored by the user. For the next, I will explain about how input and output work. How input and output work. Input: data entry by user or external device. The process begin when a user entered data or command via an input device such as a keyboard and mouse. The data entered is usually in the form of text, image, or number from the external environment. Data delivery to CPU. Data that has been converted into digital format is then sent via the bus or communication line in a computer to the central processing unit or CPU for further processing. Next, I will explain about how input and output work. Output is data processing by CPU. After the input data is processed by the CPU, the results are then prepared to be sent to the output device. This data can be in the form of text, image, or other form that suit the user need. Data delivery to output device. The result of data processing are sent from the CPU to the output device via the bus. This bus allow data transfer between the CPU and output device, such as a monitor, printer, or external storage. Next, I will explain about example of how input and output work in computer application. When typing on the keyboard, when the user presses a key on the keyboard or input, a signal is sent to CPU, which recognizes the key pressed. The results are displayed on the screen or output in the form of appropriated character. When printing a document, the document you want to print is sent by the CPU to the printer or output. The printer then convert the digital data into text or image on paper then can be seen by the user. Next, I will explain about explanation keyboard and mouse. Keyboard is an input device used to enter data and command into a computer keystroke. A keyboard consists of a number of keys, then a that represent letter, number, and symbol. Mouse is an input device used to move a cursor and select object on a computer screen. The mouse allows user to interact with the graphical interface more intuitively and efficiently. Next, I will explain about how to keyboard and mouse work. Keyboard. Every time the user presses a key on the keyboard, a signal is sent to the CPU. The CPU receives the signal and translates them into the appropriate character or letter, number, or symbol. The character is then displayed on the monitor screen at the cursor position in the Microsoft application. Mouse. When the user moves the mouse, sensor inside the mouse detect the movement and send a signal to the CPU to move the cursor on the screen. The CPU processes the signal and convert them into appropriate cursor movement. On the monitor screen, application receive command from the CPU and executed appropriate action, such as saving a document or opening menu. And next, I will explain about monitor and printer explanation. Monitor. A monitor is a visual output device used to display information from a computer in the form of text, image, or video. The monitor allows users to view the result of executed command and interact with running application. Printer. A printer is an output device used to print document or image from a computer into physical form on paper. Printer allow user to produce physical copies of digital information such as report or photo. Next, I will explain about how monitor and printer work. Monitor. When applications are run or data is processed, the CPU or central processing unit work together with main memory or RAM to retrieve and process the necessary data. The data processed by the CPU is then sent to the GPU, graphic processing unit, which convert the digital data into graphic signal. The monitor is connected to the computer via a connection such as HDMI, VGA, or DisplayPort. The resulting monitor display this information in a real-time visual form, allowing users to see and check the document they are working on. Printer. When the user chooses to print a document, a command is sent via the CPU to the operating system to process the request. The data is sent from the CPU via connection, USB, network, or wireless, to the printer controller on the printer. The result is a physical output in the form of a printed copy of the document, which represents digital data in a form that can be seen and used in the real world.